Beijing Botai Steel Structure Engineering Company Limited was founded in 2003, and our registered capital was up to CNY 80 million. Our company headquarters is located in Changping District, Beijing. It takes 1 hour by car from airport. Our new manufacturing base covers an area of 120,000 square meters in Hebei Province. We produce more than 70,000 tons of steel structure, more than 1.2 million square meters of composite thermal plate, and integrated housing annually. Our company has purchased high-power laser cutting machine, integrated welding and calibration machine, double-wire cantilever welding machine, drill and saw automated joint production line, guarantee the accuracy and quality of the product. Our products include color corrugated steel plate, composite panel, floor decking plate, CZ-type steel, steel structure, container houses, mobile homes, light steel villa. All these products can be customized made. Our company has undertaken to build the 2008 Olympic Games small wheel car racing field project and Zhangjiakou high-speed railway station and other national key projects. Furthermore, our company is certified with Grade 2 Steel Construction Project Specialized Contractor Qualification, Grade 3 Qualification for General Contracting of Construction Engineering, Foreign Project Contractor Qualification, and recognized as Director Unit of World Outstanding Chinese Merchant Association, Director Unit of China Steel Structure Association. We have got ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification and won the title of Zhongguancun High-Tech Enterprise and many other prizes.